Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's workshop. Here am I, Slavik, an operational manager at ICP Ukraine, and we have with us today Victor from TABB. TABB is a silver winner at our hackathon, which we held months ago, and a really exciting project. Was really interested to see it as a submission. Victor, feel free to present yourself, tell us more about the projects.
Yes, thank you for an invitation. My name is Victor Manin. I am CMO of TABB BullBeary. It's about crypto. A lot of people want to jump in crypto world, but they have no idea how to do it. So TABB is the best way of onboarding users in crypto. We know, all of us, that a lot of countries will include crypto in their governance reserve. So a lot of countries, a lot of citizens of these countries must know about crypto, but it is hard, really. Crypto in self-descriptions is very hard. You need to install non-custodial wallet, and so on, check transaction, but new buyers or the new users don't know how to do it. So our project helps new users to jump in crypto. In next minutes, I will show you a flow like a new. I will be a new user, and I will show you a flow how to jump in crypto via BullBeary. So first of all, I wanted to say that a lot of projects want to make some academies and some projects, some services to get involved in crypto. But as we have checked before, Telegram mini apps, it was the easiest way because a huge amount of users jump in Telegram mini apps in few clicks. So they don't need to install wallets. They need only to have a Telegram Messenger, and that's it. They tap on their screen and get rewards. But as I understand from last crypto conference, token 2049, a lot of projects, Telegram mini apps, say that they are not get a lot of users because trends is going down. But we solved this problem because we have a huge functionality in our app. So maybe I will show our screen.
Sure, but yeah, just maybe I think quite questions because I think we will go to the demonstration. Just wanted to let all the viewers know that feel free to ask any question. You have to tap to Victor in the chat, so we will see it and we will answer them in the end. I think I think feel free to go to the presentation and yeah, let me brought it. I will brought it up.
Yes, so, I'm ready.
So here it is. Yeah.
So as you can see, I will show you from the very beginning. You have a Telegram bot. You click open, and we have screen daily rewards. What does it mean? Every day for our users will be rewarded, and every user who make daily check-ins will get a higher multiplier in game. I will show you in next minutes how it works. So I'm new user. I open the bot and click claim. So my first reward was claimed. So you can see in our app there are a lot of services: trading, prediction, earn, etc. But nobody understand how to trade, how to start, how to get first coins. So we choose the easiest way to get first rewards, first coin to trade, first coins to predict. It's a game, TABB game. So what do you need to do? It's first click start, and you can see the Bitcoin chart here. And when Bitcoin goes up, you need click on bull. When Bitcoins go down, you need to click on bear. So right now you see Bitcoin is going up, and I will show you, but now it's going down. You have 14 attempts if you have subscriptions. But if you have no subscriptions, your attempts will be limited. So after it, you get some tokens. You can share with your friends and get extra reward, 500 tokens. So what to do next? I have my tokens, and I can now to trade. So I can open short or long for Bitcoin. In near future, we will add some extra pairs like Ethereum, Solana, ACP, and I will show you how to make first trade. You must input some amount of your tokens. I will put 100,000 and open long for Bitcoin. I click long and click open position. That's it. You have made your first trade. I can close my position and open new one, like 50,000 of game tokens. Open long, open position. I can check how my position is going. Here you can see how much tokens I input in this trade. You can see profit loss data. I win 30 tokens. Okay, so what to do the next? I have my tokens. I get my tokens from the game, and I made my first trade. But I want to make more tokens. So I'm going to section earn, and here you can see 3 sections: missions, quests, challenges. Missions, it is very simple way to get crypto. It's like airdrop. If you are from 2017 years and remember how it works. But I will show you. What you wanted to get, if you wanted to get 1000 tokens, you need to go here, click here to join tab chat, and after it, you need to check it. That's it. So to get first crypto is very easy, and you can see a lot of tasks here. This is a very simple task to get first crypto. But if you want to improve your knowledge about crypto, about trading, about ICP, you are going to quests. Quest, it's this very interesting section because you will get knowledge and you will be rewarded for your knowledge. So how it works? I wanted to get knowledge about basic in crypto and blockchain. So I'm going to read article, and we can see here an article about how it works. After it, when I have get a lot of knowledge from articles, I will start a simple quests. There are a lot of questions to check my knowledge about crypto, about that article that was used before. So I choose what is a blockchain. Blockchain is a digital ledger of transaction built on distributed assets and network. Okay, what's next? And a lot of questions like this one will help you get knowledge about crypto, blockchain, ICP, and you will be rewarded for that. And after it, you can join challenges. What does it mean? You make simple actions in our app, like trading, playing top game, make predictions, and you will be rewarded. As you can see, I have rewarded for this a lot of quests, invite friends, and so on. So that is very easy. But okay, we have coins from game. We have opened our first trading position in futures. And what next? I want to get extra money in crypto. Right now, we have integrated our for rewards our token and ton, but in near future we will add other coins for be rewarded. So in prediction section, you can see that there is BTC24. What does it mean? You can predict Bitcoin movement and you will be rewarded. How it works? First of all, you need to input your price. How much Bitcoin will be in 1 hour, 4 hours, 20 hours, and 24 hours. In the future, we will add AI, artificial intelligence, which will help you to get best prediction. But now it is in under development. So what next? You can input manually your Bitcoin price, your Bitcoin price prediction, or you can use this selector. So after it, I can use for 1 hour time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour, or 24 hours. So, but reward in such time frames will be different. No, we understand that the smallest reward will be in 1 hour, the biggest one in 24 hour. Right now, I can show you rewards. Here you can see for 1 hour reward, for 4 hour time frame, 12 hour, and 24 hour. So you can check all rewards before making predictions, and it is very safe. So after it, I choose 1 hour. Bitcoin price will be 98, and I make prediction by clicking press prediction. This is my active prediction. I can make for 4 hour prediction. You can see here, and 12 and 24. It is very easy to be winner, because you can see that I have won a lot of times and was rewarded. All your rewards you can check here. In user statistic, I won 1.36 ton and a lot of stub tokens. It is game token. We have not ready to make token generation event, but in near future we will do it, and you can flip these tokens, game tokens to original one. So here you can check all statistics about your any action in our app. It is very useful information because a lot of users don't understand where their money was lost or how it works. So what's the next we have? We have made prediction, and after progress will finished, we will be rewarded. So next section is battles. Battles, it's about event prediction. So you can see here, altcoin season has begun. You can bet on yes, you can bet on no. I will place maximum 5,000 on yes. On yes. Yes. Maximum yes. Little less. And if you come into event, you can see detailed information about bets. You can see here how a lot of bets I make, and I believe that alt season has begun. And you can see here a lot of others, a lot of people don't believe that alt season has begun. In near future, and reward will be in TABB coins. In near future, we will add some events about ACP and ACP rewards. So next section, it's votes, like polymarket service, but a little bit improved. And we will launch it in near future, I suppose May or beginning of June. So it will be a more interesting section, because here it is limited version of battles is a limited version of votes, but votes will be a huge services on different events. Doesn't matter which one, sport, pop, politics, crypto, and others, economy sections. You can make your prediction on event, and you can create your event. So it is very interesting, because you will be rewarded from all transactions in this event. So in prediction section, we have three parts. BTC24, you can predict Bitcoin. In battles, you can make bets on events. There are a lot of events, and we have a lot of events was passed. You can select only crypto events. You can select only economics events. And what do we have next? Invite section. Invite section, it's about sharing. It's about getting extra rewards. So everybody can get their referral link and will be rewarded. If you share with your friends, family, and others your referral link, you will be rewarded. Instant reward, it's 1000 tokens and one play pass. Play pass, you need to play in games. Do you see? This is attempts, play passes. I have a lot of play passes and have extra +7 because I invite a lot of friends. You can see I have invited thousands, hundreds of thousands friends. So what's the next? For Telegram premium users, you can see that the reward is higher, 5,000 and 5 play passes. And here you can see passive income in crypto. From all of your first line, you will get 10% of their rewards, and second line 3%. So I think it is very interesting to share the easiest way to onboard users in crypto, and you will be rewarded. So it is very profitable way to get in crypto. And here you can see the leaderboard of our users, 31 only, and this is the total number of users, nearly 1 million. So what do we have? We have a very simple way to trade in futures. In I suppose in 1 or 2 months we will add swaps. It is integrated service on different blockchain and decentralized exchanges, and the user can swap any token to any token. And staking, we will create staking pools for our users, and they will be rewarded in different tokens. I think it will be TON, TABB, ICP, and others. So it's about trading. Getting tokens you can get in game, and if you have done all job and you are a good one, you can try predict. And it is very easy. You need to make 3 clicks, input amount, input price, or select here, choose time frame, and click place prediction. I think it is very easy. Same situation in battles. I can click no, I can click here, make bet. So that's it. It is really very easy to jump in crypto, because a lot of services has very difficult functionality, and no one understands how it works. And a lot of users lost their money because they made wrong trades, they made wrong transactions, and others. So I think BullBeary will be the greatest onboarding system for new users. And in near future, we will add web version. where users via desktop browser can use our app. Not all functionality. I think it first will be BTC24, votes and staking. And there we will integrate different blockchains, such as ICP. And in ICP, we will make our backend and front end for storage. And I think we have best solution, because in Telegram mini app, first onboarding, and in our web version, users, qualified users, experienced users can jump into BTC24 futures, swap trading, prediction, and staking. So I think maybe Kamyu has questions.
Yeah, I also have several questions, but there is I also a couple of questions from community. To start with, regarding ICP tech, could you please, you said about basically backend on ICP, just maybe you can follow up on it or elaborate on it. Just curious to also to understand what struggles ICP helps you to solve, especially, and basically what is the reason partly to use also ICP? What abilities does it grants you as project builders?
Okay, I am not a developer, but I will try to explain you what we are doing right now. We analyze that centralized storage it's not very, because we have seen that situation in West Europe when electricity was shut down and a lot of services was not working, like hosting services and others. It's like a problem, and we know that decentralized storage is very interesting. I know a lot of companies which use such a solution, because they do not trust. If we spoke about crypto, we spoke about decentralization, but how we can trust any service which works centralized, and any hosting provider can close in any time service. So best solution is use decentralized storage. And our developers said that we are on the way of analyzing how to make it fast to integrate ICP, to integrate our backend on ICP. And I think in near future we will do it, and of course we will make it for our web version.
Yes, I think that's interesting, especially with decentralization, because I think ICP is one of the several blockchains which actually allows you to build different products decentralized. So not only like backends, not only logic, but also a web version, as you said, basically data storage, which is, I think, really important. So really interesting to see. Another question, actually, the question about ICP, it was a question from ICP Hubs network. So basically, it's the whole program. So they're watching us as well, which ICP Ukraine is part of. Another question which we have from Ms. Krabs, what inspired you to create TABB? What was the reason? How you came up to it? Like you and the team, what was the motivation?
Thank you for your question. I think I'm in crypto from 2014, and I saw a lot of people who lost their money, and we have made our service for getting to share our knowledges about crypto and how to onboard in it in a very easy way. It is really the problem, and we solve it in our mini app. But I think ACP will improve it, because improve our app, improve our project, because as I said before, using decentralized storage is very, very important thing in crypto. Not of all services use decentralized storage because they want to make money, but they don't want to make users safe. So that's the reason why we think that ICP is that using ICP blockchain and storage for our project is a good way to solve this big problem. And I suppose all of us and ICP and TABB will help a lot of new users to jump in crypto in different countries, not only in Ukraine, and whole of the world.
Yeah, that's I think quite interesting. Cause what I personally like about TABB, which is their approach. Your approach basically is that you're not just to build a product. You also have this basically educational part, which I think very important. Because I've been an investment analyst for like last 3 years in Web3 and crypto, and what I've seen is that a lot of projects are really struggling to secure new audience. The audience is basically bubbled. People are just going from one project to another, and the problem is that industry needs a new audience, but basically the learning curve is steep. People who are not really in the topic, and it seems they don't have time to learn about it. As you said, transactions, how to verify them, basically a lot of scam. Even that's a big hurdle for people. And I really like projects which are trying to work with Web2 audience, try to help them understand it. And especially I like ICP because of it, because ICP gives the possibility to build seamless Web2 products from first glance, and then basically introduce people to blockchain, which I think really important. So yeah, that's a really good point. So right now I think there is no more questions from the chat, but just reminding, if there is any question, feel free to leave it. The question which I have from my side as well, what is your basically a roadmap right now? So you have secured some early traction. You have already, as you said, almost 1 million users registered at least. Curious to see what are your next steps, how you plan to develop, and what are your plans?
So thank you for your question. Our next step is votes. So we are making maybe for 2 months section votes. As I said before, it's a predict market for any events. After it, we will get a lot of traffic on this service, because I think the history of Polymarket show us that people want to make predictions, and we want to help users to make predictions in very easy way. Battles is a half road to votes, but it will be very easy to choose event like here, because we use battles for developing votes. But after votes, as I said before, our next step is swap and staking. Why we add the staking? Because a lot of our users ask about it. We want to create pools. We want to invest tokens in staking and so on. Because I think staking is the simplest way to be rewarded in crypto. Because trading is very, very dangerous, because 90% of users who trades and on futures and others, they lost their money. So staking, you have two risks: the price of token will down, and the project will close. But a lot of staking services and a lot of staking projects works well, and we use their models. We use models of launch pools to make easiest way to be rewarded via staking. And we will add the next step. We will add the swap section where users can exchange any tokens to any, and we will make a listing service in our app, and some of tokens will be whitelisted and will be shown to users in our app. And I think ICP will be the first one. And we will check how to integrate some dexes and some centralized exchanges for trading crypto for our users. It's really close events in our roadmap, but after it, we want to make a token generation event to reward our users who are using our app from 1st October, our launch date. And I think after it, we will list on this swap our token. And after it, we will make a huge academy. And I think really problem in education in crypto is big, and we want to solve it via our app.
Yeah, really great. Cause the question I have, like from my business side, just really curious to also understand it. Basically, you were saying about the token, and I'm curious to understand. Maybe if you could just a little bit dive deeper, what will be the utility of the token? So basically, why people should buy it?
Thank you.
What will be behind it?
Yes, our token, it's not a meme token like on Solana or BNB. Our token, it's about utility. First of all, if you will stake our token here, you will have zero fee on trading, on prediction, on other services. So it's the first usage of our token. Second usage, in listing service, you will have a huge discount to get listed via our tokens. And really, if we in near future, on our web version, futures will be able only to trade in our tokens. Maybe if we implement some tools to get in the section other tokens, but I think maybe for the first 6 months after web version launched, we will use only TABB tokens to get extra rewards in futures trading.
Okay, then that's I think makes sense because it's really important to have I think really some demand based economics, because basically token is reliant on people. Because in any case, I think any burn mechanism could be implemented, but still, if there is no real people behind it, no one buys it. It won't be really a liquid tokens. What I really also like, partly that's the idea is to implement some real utility behind it. So yes, thanks for it. So I don't see any other question in the chat. So if you have any comments, also to, like maybe any words you want to share with ICP community as well, feel free to do so.
Yes, don't afraid crypto. Because I know a lot of people said crypto is risky, but I think they have maybe friends who want to scam them. First of all, you need to explore it, to use Google, to use YouTube, to get some first knowledge about blockchain and Bitcoin at first. But after it, you can extend your knowledge in different projects, wallets, exchanges, decentralized or centralized exchanges, decentralized storage in services, and after it you will understand how it works and how it helps you to solve different problems. I know it is very easy to send a huge amount of crypto to any one point in the world. But if you use bank account, it is very easy because you need to have a lot of improvements of your transactions, that your money is white and others. And after it, you don't need to trust to save your money, because if you are saving on non-custodial wallets, you will have a little less problems that when you will storage them in centralized services like bank, exchanges, and others. So I wanted to ask you again, don't be afraid. Use crypto daily, because it is very easy it is very easy to start it with our project. I think that's all.
Yeah, feel free to use Step. I think not even feel free, but use Step in order to get to know more about crypto, to start with it. So if you know anyone who wants to start it, feel free to share TABB with them. I think it could be a great start for someone to do it. So yeah, thanks very much for joining. It was a pleasure to host. Really interesting session, really interesting project. So I hope you will see more development from you in coming months. So yeah, thanks very much everyone for joining once more, and have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Have a nice day.